all perfect, polished, bright. As I fall, every achievement feels like another chain, climbing higher, but I'm feeling more trapped each day. Started living for the likes and the fame. Now I can't recognize my own name. This cage is made of gold. Everything that I was told would make me happy, make me whole. This cage is made of gold. Breaking free, breaking free, but these chains look good on me. Breaking free, breaking free. What would they think if they could see? Listen up, let me break it down for you. Let me break it down for you. Every ring got me trapped in a loop. Designer brands in the trending spots. Living life through these photo ops. Validation from strangers' eyes. Building prisons with my own lies. Started small, now I'm living large. But success became my own sabotage. Yeah, I did what they said I should. Check every box in the neighborhood. Now I'm standing at the top alone, in my cage that I call. Remember when we used to dream so small, just me and you against it all. Before I traded simple days for this perfect broke my whole. It's me and you against it all. Before I traded simple days for this perfect program maze. This cage is made of gold.